To non-Hindus doing this course, we will present the teachings of Murugan Aaiyyan, who is known by many names, such as the God of War, the Forest Dweller, the Lord of the Hills, the Opener of Dimensions and many more. There are many temples and groups dedicated to Murugan around the globe, so do take the time to visit or join one. If you want some more background on these teachings, you can download the free app, How to Summon Demons, or get the books on Amazon which have more in-depth details. Over 50,000 people are using this worldwide to gain power, wealth and knowledge. In this course we will give a very brief introduction into summoning demons from a Hindu Aaiyyanist perspective, and then show you exactly how to do it. According to Dravidian Aaiyyanist historians, Murugan Aaiyyan, the son of Shiva and Parvati, appeared to humans between 70 to 100,000 years ago, and taught us the power of yantras, which are sacred symbolic inscriptions that can open positive dimensions, lokas, negative dimensions, talas, and other forms of dimensional space. By opening dimensions we can use the energy and entities that exist there to affect our physical reality. These teachings are followed by many successful Dravidians in India and around the world, and we are now formally teaching this knowledge worldwide. Remember, in the ancient past, humans were much closer to the spiritual world than they are in this modern age, and this is reflected in all histories around the world. As many people know who follow Aayyanism or other teachings, this knowledge is suppressed for the wider public. You were taught that written history started around 6,000 years ago, but humans have been living on this planet for hundreds of thousands of years. You were taught not to summon demons for thousands of years, but a few people all over the world who have all the power and wealth do indeed summon entities to aid them. One of the reasons this knowledge has been suppressed for the wider public is the Aaiyyan incident which occurred over 15,000 years ago. We will discuss this history, the nature of yantras, and how to summon entities as you go through the course. The Aaiyyan incident is important for Tantra practitioners, as it shows us the steps and order the Aayyans took to summon entities.